We be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful people? Just thought I would share with you what I got hooked up with. I got all of these melons and some more inside. And that's because I went to my local farmer's market and they were going to throw them out because nobody's buying them. And there's nothing wrong with them. They're perfect. So looks like we're gonna have a melon a day. And yeah, I just thought I'd share with that because it's just so much food that goes in the garbage. And really, you could just talk with your local farmer or market and they might have some goodies for you. And right back there is the garden I've been working on. So we have some dill, kale, lettuce. Supposed to be more lettuce right here, but Miss Sweetie started digging in there. Carrots, beets, and carrots. All right, let's go cut one up. All right, so I got these two guys and I'm gonna cut up just to see what they look like. Wow, it's beautiful. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, that's great. So thankful for all this free food. Let's cut this one, see what this one looks like. Oh man, this one's great too. That's crazy they're gonna throw this out. All right, this is my breakfast. Right, hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Yeah, just check with your local farmers or market. See if they're throwing out any food and see if you can get your hands on it. When you do that, we'll all be rising.